Ever been stuck in that dreaded loop? You know, the one where your internet is down, your mobile bill is a mystery, or you just have a simple question, and all you need is to talk to a real person at M1. You dial, you click, you navigate endless menus, and you end up feeling like you're talking to a digital brick wall? Yeah, me too. It's a universal frustration, isn't it? In our hyperconnected world, we expect instant answers, seamless solutions, and above all, human interaction. When that breaks down, it's not just inconvenient, it's downright infuriating. Especially when it comes to vital services like your mobile and internet. Now, you might be thinking, just Google it. And you're right, that's where most of us start. But here's the thing, contact information changes, processes evolve, and sometimes, those search results are outdated or just plain wrong. You end up wasting more time, and that's the last thing you need when you're already dealing with a problem. So, let's cut through the noise. Today, we're diving deep into the definitive guide on how to contact M1 customer service in 2024. We'll explore all the available channels, demystify the processes, and give you the inside scoop on how to get your issues resolved quickly and efficiently. First things first, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. Why is it sometimes so hard to reach customer service? Companies, including M1, are constantly trying to balance efficiency with personalized support. They introduce automated systems, online portals, and self-service options to handle the sheer volume of inquiries. While these tools can be helpful for simple tasks, they often fall short when dealing with complex or urgent problems. This is where the human touch becomes essential. And that's exactly what we're aiming for today. We want to get you connected to a real person, someone who can understand your specific situation and provide a tailored solution. Let's start with the most traditional method, phone support. Now, M1 has a few different numbers depending on your needs. For general inquiries, the main M1 customer service hotline is your go-to. However, it's crucial to be prepared. Before you dial, have your account details ready. This includes your NRIC or FIN number, your mobile number, and any relevant account numbers. This will streamline the verification process and save you precious time. When you call, listen carefully to the automated prompts. M1, like many companies, uses an interactive voice response (IVR) system to direct calls to the appropriate departments. Pay attention to the options and select the one that best matches your query. If you're unsure, choose the Speak to a Representative option. It might take a bit longer, but it's the most direct way to get human assistance. Another important tip, call during off-peak hours. Typically, early mornings or late afternoons tend to be less busy. This can reduce your wait time and get you connected to an agent faster. Now, let's talk about the digital channels. M1, like most modern companies, has a robust online presence. The M1 website is a treasure trove of information, including FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and self-service options. But for direct contact, the My M1 Plus app and the live chat feature are your best bets. The My M1 Plus app is a powerful tool that allows you to manage your account, track your usage, pay your bills, and even contact customer support. The app has a dedicated support section where you can initiate a live chat with a customer service agent. This is a convenient option if you prefer written communication or if you need to send screenshots or other supporting documents. The live chat feature on the M1 website is another excellent way to get instant assistance. Simply navigate to the support section and click on the chat icon. You'll be connected to a live agent who can answer your questions and resolve your issues in real time. Now, here's a pro tip. When using live chat, be clear and concise in your communication. Provide all the necessary details up front, and don't be afraid to ask for clarification if you don't understand something. If your issue is not urgent or if you prefer written communication, you can also contact M1 via email. While email support may not be as immediate as phone or live chat, it's a good option for detailed inquiries or for providing documentation. You can find the email address for M1 customer support on their website. When writing your email, be sure to include your account details, a clear description of your issue, and any relevant supporting documents. Now, let's talk about social media. In today's digital age, social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter have become powerful tools for customer service. M1 is active on these platforms and often responds to customer inquiries and complaints. You can send a direct message to M1 on Facebook or Twitter, or you can tag them in a public post. While social media support may not be as private as other channels, it can be an effective way to get attention to your issue. However, be mindful of the information you share publicly. Avoid posting sensitive personal information such as your account number or NRIC. Another valuable resource is the M1 Community Forum. This online forum allows customers to ask questions, share tips, and provide feedback. You can often find answers to common questions in the forum, or you can post your own question and get help from other users or M1 moderators. Now, let's address some common issues that people face when contacting M1 customer service. One common complaint is long wait times. To minimize wait times, try calling during off-peak hours, using the live chat feature, or utilizing the My M1 Plus app. Another common issue is difficulty navigating the IVR system. If you're struggling to find the right option, choose the Speak to a Representative option. Sometimes, customers encounter unhelpful or unresponsive agents. If you're not satisfied with the assistance you receive, don't hesitate to ask to speak to a supervisor or escalate your issue. It's also important to remember that preparation is key. Before contacting customer service, gather all the necessary information, including your account details, a clear description of your issue, and any relevant supporting documents. This will help you communicate effectively and get your issue resolved quickly. In addition to the official channels, there are also a few third-party resources that can be helpful. Websites and forums dedicated to consumer reviews and complaints can provide valuable insights and tips. Now, what if you're experiencing a widespread service outage? In these situations, M1 typically provides updates on their website and social media channels. Check these resources for the latest information and estimated resolution times. Ultimately, the best way to contact M1 customer service depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you need immediate assistance, phone support or live chat may be the best options. If your issue is not urgent, email or social media may be more convenient. In summary, to contact M1 customer service now, you can use the phone hotline, the My M1 Plus app, the live chat feature on their website, email, social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter, or the M1 Community Forum. Prepare your account details, be clear in your communication, and don't hesitate to escalate your issue if necessary. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.